Today we're going to work on our Jade Split. A lot of people have a lot of struggles with that move. So at first I would like to explain you that you don't need to have a perfect split to do a Jade Split. So a lot of people even don't try to do this move because they think that they need to have a perfect split. But I'm going to show you something. Look. It looks like oversplit, right? But it's not split. Looks like oversplit, but it's not split. So the same with the Jade Split. You have to turn your hip a certain way to make your split looks beautiful. I can say it's illusion. You don't need to have a split. So, let's start. First one, we're going to start from invert. Outside leg hook. From outside leg hook, bring your leg as close as you can into the pole. You should to pull your leg as much as you can. So, you kind of like trying to pull it into the pole. From this position, release your upper leg. Also, when you upside down, don't round your back. It's one of the common mistakes because when you round your back, you kind of like going to slide down so much faster. And try to arch your back. So like that. The same like with your leg. You kind of like, you have to pull it into the pole, like really strong, like as much as you can actually. And another tip about Jade Split, don't open it like straight because it's hard to turn your hip. Try to open it a little like from the side or a little bit like on diagonal. I will show you what I'm talking about right now. So, when you're going into invert, when you're going into Jade Split, instead of open like that, you can see I can do split from this. Try to open like from the side. And also, don't forget to work on your another side. I'm also going to show you a few different variations of Jade Split. Another one is a variation with like your lower arm support. So we're going into invert again. After that, you're going into this position, pulling your leg into the pole, a little bit sliding down with your lower arm, and after that, open your split. Now we're going to do a hands-free Jade Split. So, it's not easy, but practice makes it perfect. So we're going again into invert. Pull your leg as much as you can into the pole. And after that, you release your upper leg. So, you can start with a regular Jade. And after release your one arm. So, another variation of Jade Split is going to be a Jade Split with different hand position. So, we're going into Jade Split again. And here we are grabbing a pole like that. Yes, it's one of the variations. Also, a lot of people asked me how to do Jade Split drop. So it's not easy, but as I said before, practice makes it perfect. So I recommend to start just with little, like really little drops. So how we bring the drop? We just release our leg a little bit and bring it back. Release and bring it back. So at first you just need to play this drop just to start to feel comfortable and confident. And after you will able to do small drops, you can try to do them like a little bit bigger and bigger and bigger. And also you can try to release your leg like more and close it faster. So let's do that. So we're going into Jade Split. And after this, just a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. Start with such small drops. And just to try to make them bigger and bigger, and you will get it. Another drop, Jade drop, when you're going from Jade Split inside leg hook. Yes, inside leg hook. So I'm gonna show you. So from Jade Split, you're going into this drop, but at the same time you're going to drop. I just showed it to you where your leg should go. It's going to be like that. But try to drop a little bit more.